Hello, girls and guys, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to RoboThoughts Zero to Hero series. I hope you guys are enjoying this tutorial programming, Python programming in Jetson Nano, right? I hope you guys have your Jetson Nano ready and we are in lesson number 19. Guys, if you haven't got your Jetson Nano, I suggest go ahead and buy it from Amazon, or there are various vendors available. Okay. I also taught you about how to install putty on your Windows machine and then remotely log into your Jetson Nano using your local IP address, your Wi-Fi IP address. Alright guys, so we are in lesson number 19, Python coding on Jetson Nano, and now I am going to teach you about global keyword and global variables. In the previous lessons I showed you what a global variable means, right, with few examples, and I hope you got pretty much good hands-on experience into that. Now we are going to look at global keyword in a global variable. Okay, what it means. So basically, when you create a variable inside a function, that variable is local, all right, and it can only be used inside a specific function which you create. To create a global variable inside a function, you can use the keyword called global. Yes, it's an inbuilt keyword within Python. So I'm going to show you how it works, guys. So basically, using this global as a keyword, you can do a lot of magics. So there you go. Let me now log into my Jetson Nano, and I'm already logged in through putty. I hope you can see my screen. Alright, there you go. Alright guys, so let me open up our existing file for variable which we created using Nano IDE. What is that? Nano variable.py. There you go. Alright, I'm going to delete this program. Well, there it is. It's clear now. So let me show you an example. Let's say define my function. Okay, as soon as you define what you're supposed to do, your open bracket and a close bracket with a colon. Okay, guys, don't forget this syntax. These are very important. And then press a tab. Global, can you see that the color changes as soon as you type global? This is an inbuilt function. All right guys, you need to understand these are, it's a method, you can call it as a method. Global, I would say, let's say x. Okay, and then x equal to what do we say, x equal to anything, I mean say fantastic. All right, now my function, I'm going to end it here. Right, now let's print say, what do we print? Robotics is double quote, close the double quote, and plus x. All right, now let me save it. How do I save it? Control O, enter, Control X. Now let me run this Python file and let me show you how this global keyword works. Python 3 variable.py. Can you see that? Robotics is fantastic. So there should be, ideally there should be a space between is and fantastic, but never mind, it happens. I mean, you can do that. It's pretty easy. All right guys, so this is about the global variable. Now you saw with the example, right? And okay, one more thing, let me just clear out of this. Okay, so guys, one more thing. When you use a global keyword, if you want to change a global variable inside a function, let me show you how to do that. It's a little tricky, but to change the value of a global variable inside a function, how is it? Let me show you. All right, let me share my screen again. Okay, let's go to nano variable.py. Let me open that file. Let me delete this. Okay, now let's say x equals fantastic, and then let's define my function. Always the syntax, guys, very important, with a colon, not a semicolon, it's a colon, and then enter space. This space is for indentation, guys. Remember the indentation, right? The keyword global, x, declare as x, and what do? X equal to fantastic, spelling, x equal to fantastic with a double quote, and then you end the function, my function, with a open and close bracket, and then print an output. Print, let's say, what do we say? Say for example, Python is, let's close this with a double quote, plus x. So can you see that what I did? So basically you are adding both this into one with just a character called plus. It's an operator which you're going to learn in the upcoming lessons what that means. All right. Okay, now let me save this. Control O, enter, Control X. Let's see what happens. Python 3 variable.py. Boom, Python is fantastic. Can you see that, guys? Can you see that? It's amazing. So basically, guys, as I explained to you, let me just clear this out 1 second. Right, guys, so as I explained to you with an example, that a global keyword, if you want to change a global variable inside a function, all right, using the keyword called global, that's very much easy. That's how you use this keyword. It's going to be really helpful as you get along in the next lessons. Once you get into advanced level of Python, it's going to be really helpful to remember all this and use such keywords. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and do leave a comment below and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.